Have you tried explaining Bitcoin to your grandpa? Cold sweat smile. Grandpa, what's that you've got there? Young person, it's my phone, Grandpa. And I want to teach you about Bitcoin. Grandpa, Bitcoin? Is that like a new kind of stock? Young person, not exactly. Bitcoin is a digital currency, kind of like how you use your credit card to pay for things. Grandparent, but how can you have money that's not physical? Young person, see, Bitcoin is like a digital version of money. And just like regular money, you can use it to buy things and send it to other people. Grandpa, but how do you know it's real? Can't people just make up their own money? Young person, Bitcoin is decentralized, which means no one person or government controls it. Instead, everyone who uses Bitcoin helps keep track of the transactions and make sure it's secure. Grandparent, well, that sounds complicated. But I think I'm starting to understand a little.